Welcome to our tutorial on how to customize a chat ringtone on Telegram. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to personalize your notifications for a specific chat on Telegram. To get started, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the chat for which you want to customize the ringtone. Tap on the contact's name at the top of the chat window. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Select Notifications from the list, and then tap on Customize. In the Customize menu, look for the Calls section, and tap on Ringtone. You will see a list of available ringtones to choose from. Scroll through the options, and select the ringtone that you want to use for this specific chat. Once you've made your selection, simply tap on the ringtone to confirm your choice. And that's it. You have successfully customized the chat ringtone on Telegram for that specific contact. Now, whenever you receive a notification from this chat, you will hear the ringtone that you've selected. We hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the steps to customize a chat ringtone on Telegram. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.